TDA Lifestyle with me at full scene. Thank you so much for tuning in. Thanks to all our current subscribers. And if you haven't subscribed, go ahead and subscribe and follow us on all our social media handles. And yeah. So in today's video, I'll be showing you guys how to rock this new TAMIYAH wig from our ASILI range. Like, this is a natural 4C blowout look. So this is a kinky straight hair. I mean, it looks like I got my hair blow dried. It looks like I've got so much hair. It just looks like my hair. Like, even if I come close, can you see it? Can you not? Well, this is the wig, and you will be glad to know that you don't need any got-to-be glue. You don't need any gel. You don't need any glue. You don't need anything. You just put this wig on and you're ready to go. So yeah, this wig is amazing, as you can see. I love this wig. It is very lightweight. I mean, it's very soft. This hair is beautiful. It doesn't tangle. It's just amazing. So if you'd like to see how to rock this wig, please stay tuned. So let's start with the glueless method. So all you need is your wig. So you're gonna grab your wig. She's so pretty. Very light, very lightweight. Like, you can't really feel like you're wearing anything. And yeah, this is the kinky yucky texture. It's kind of like a blowout on natural 4C hair. And yeah, that's what the wig looks like. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and start adjusting my straps. So I'm going to adjust little elastic bands, bring them close together like that. Yeah, please ignore that. That's just some concealer. So I'm going to put it as close as possible like that, and then adjust my big elastic band. So I'm going to put it right at the end, like this. So I'm going to tilt my head forward with the elastic and bring the rest of the wig. Flip it over. So I've got my mirror here that I'm looking at. So I'm just going to adjust this wig. Just make sure everything is sitting properly. So for the glueless look, we're not going to be laying anything. So what you want to do is just style your wigs. I'm just going to take my wide tooth comb and comb out the wig nicely. So you can see this wig is very full, very long. This is about 20 inches. As you can see, like, I did not do anything. Just bring out the baby hairs. So you can literally just leave this wig like this. So the baby hairs are covering the lace, so you can't see anything. So as you can see, no glue, no gel. You just put the wig on and it looks this good. Like, where is the wig? Where's the wig? Where's the wig? Where is the wig? There's no wig. So I'm gonna go ahead and style it. I can actually tie it up a little half up, half down. Again, with no gel, with no glue. I just put this wig on, really. And you just bring this down like that. So you bring out the little baby hairs like this to lay it down, because we're not using any gel, we didn't use any glue. So this piece over here helps to just camouflage the lace and make it disappear. So I'm going to tie half up, half down, just to show you guys that you can totally rock this wig with no gel, with no got to be glued, no spray. You just put the wig on and it sits perfectly. And there you go. I mean, it's very simple. You just put the wig on and you're ready to go. You can style it however you want to. Like that. Make it a little messy. Pull out all the baby hairs. So I'm going to show you the close up. As you can see, there is no wig. So this is a close-up look. You can see the sides. So this wig can totally be worn glueless, as you can see. You can just put the wig on and you're ready to go. You don't really need any gel, and you got to be, because the baby hairs on this wig hides the lace, so it's just perfect and easy to wear. So you can just put this wig on and you're ready to go.